Hello everyone and welcome back to Teacher English Speaking channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lucy.
Hello, Lucy. Hello, everyone. It is wonderful to be here with you all today.
Hi Tom, you look very happy today. How are you feeling?
I am feeling fantastic. Thank you. Actually, I just walked here, and the weather outside is perfect. The sun is shining, and it is a beautiful day. It made me feel ready to speak English. How about you?
I am doing great too. Thanks. And speaking of being ready to speak English, Tom, do you remember when you first started learning a new language?
Oh, yes, I remember it very well. It was actually quite scary.
Scary. Why was it scary?
Well, I studied very hard. I knew the grammar from my textbooks. I knew the vocabulary lists. But when I went to a real cafe or a real airport in a foreign country, something terrible happened.
What happened?
My mind went blank. I froze. I stood there and I could not say a single word. I knew the English in my head, but I could not speak it with my mouth.
That is such a common problem. We call it the grammar wall. You know the rules on paper, but you cannot speak in real-life situations.
Exactly. It is very frustrating. So today, we are going to break down that wall.
Yes, today is a very special episode. Our topic is how to speak English in real situations. We are going on a journey through daily life. We will go from introductions to cafes, to shopping, the airport, and even the doctor.
That sounds amazing. So, no boring grammar lessons today.
No grammar walls today, I promise. Just warm, natural conversations and phrases you can use immediately.
Sounds perfect. And if you are ready to start this journey with us, show us some love by hitting that like button.
And please subscribe so you never miss a lesson. We have so much to share with you. Let's get started.
Okay, Lucy, I am ready for our journey. Where do we begin?
Well, Tom, every good conversation starts with one thing. Do you know what it is?
Is it saying hello?
Yes, saying hello is part of it. But more specifically, it is about introductions. Talking about yourself?
Ah, yes, the famous request. Tell me about yourself. That is when I usually get nervous. I never know what to say.
Don't worry. We have a simple formula to make it easy. You just need 3 things. Are you ready?
I am ready. What are the 3 things?
Number 1 is your name. Number 2 is where you are from. And number 3 is one small detail about your life.
Only 3 things? That sounds very manageable.
It is. Let me give you an example. My name is Lucy. I am from Canada. I love helping people learn English.
That is short, clear, and friendly. Let me try to do it. My name is Tom. I am from London. I like coffee and long walks.
Perfect. Tom, it sounds very natural. You can say I like or I enjoy to add that small detail. It helps people connect with you.
I see, so I do not need to tell my whole life story.
No. Keep it simple. Okay, listeners. Now it is your turn. Practice saying your name, your country, and one thing you like. You can say it out loud right now.
Give it a try.
Great job. Now that we know each other, let's go to our first location. Tom, where are we going?
We are going to my favorite place in the world, the coffee shop.
I love coffee shops. The smell of coffee, the music. But ordering in English can be tricky if the barista speaks fast.
It can be, but you only need one magic phrase to order anything.
What is the magic phrase?
The phrase is, can I have...
Can I have, this is polite and easy?
Exactly. You can use it for anything. Can I have a coffee? Can I have a tea? Can I have a sandwich?
Let's do a role play to practice. I will be the barista, and you are the customer.
I am ready. I am hungry and thirsty.
Good morning. Welcome to City Cafe. What would you like today?
Hi. Can I have a cappuccino, please?
Of course. A cappuccino? Anything to eat?
Yes. Can I have a croissant, please?
Great choice. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Okay, that is $5. Here you go.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
See? That was fast and easy. I did not feel nervous at all.
You did great. The important question in that conversation was, for here or to go?
Right. That is a very common question in America and other places. Can you explain it?
Sure. For here means you will stay in the cafe. You will sit at a table and drink your coffee. To go means you will take the coffee with you and leave the shop.
That is very important to know. And I noticed we used please and thank you a lot.
Yes. Always remember to say please and thank you. It makes your English sound beautiful and polite.
Exactly. Okay, Lucy, we have our coffee. We are happy. Now let's go to our next location. We are going shopping.
Ooh, shopping. I love shopping. But I always get nervous asking for the price. Sometimes I cannot find the price tag.
Don't be nervous. Just use the simple phrase, how much is this?
How much is this? That is easy to remember.
Yes. Or if the item is far away on a shelf, you say, how much is that?
Let's practice. You are the shop assistant this time. I want to buy a new jacket.
Okay, I am the shop assistant. Hello, welcome to the store. Can I help you find anything?
Yes, please. I like this jacket. How much is this?
Let me check. It is $50.
Oh, $50. That is a bit expensive. Do you have any discount?
Good question. Let me check for you. Yes, actually, we have a 10% discount today.
Wow, that is great. I will take it.
Perfect. Let's go to the register.
That was a good conversation. I like the phrase, do you have any discount?
Yes, that is a very useful phrase for tourists. It basically means, can you give me a lower price?
It really helps to save money. So, shopping is just asking questions and smiling?
Exactly. Now, Lucy, let's move to a place that is usually very stressful for students. We are going to the airport.
Oh, the airport. Check-in counters, security, gates, passports. It feels like a big test.
It does. Everyone is rushing. But the questions are almost always the same. You do not need to understand every single word.
Really? What should I do?
You need to listen for keywords, words like passport, bags, and window or aisle.
Aisle is the seat near the walking path, right?
Yes, aisle. It is spelled A-I-S-L-E, but we say aisle like I will.
Got it. Let's try an airport conversation. I am the check-in staff. You are the traveler.
Okay, I am the traveler. I have my bags ready.
Good afternoon. Can I see your passport? Please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Okay. Please put it on the scale. Would you like a window or aisle seat?
Window seat, please. I like to look at the clouds.
Perfect. Here is your ticket. Your gate is number 5. Boarding is at 6:30.
Thank you very much.
Tom, you are a pro. You listen for the keywords perfectly.
Yes, I heard passport, so I gave you my passport. I heard bags, so I pointed to my suitcase. And I heard gate, so I listened for the number.
That is the secret. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen for the important ones.
Okay, we have traveled, we have shopped, but oh no, Lucy, I feel a little strange.
What is wrong, Tom?
I feel hot and my head hurts. I think I am sick.
Oh dear, that is not good. It is time to go to the doctor.
This is very important. If you are sick in a new country, you need to be able to say how you feel.
Right. The key phrase is very simple. You say I have followed by your problem.
Like, I have a headache.
Yes? Or I have a sore throat. Sore means it hurts when you swallow.
Or I have a fever. That means your body is too hot.
Or maybe I have a stomach ache if you ate too much food.
Let's do a quick checkup role play. I will be the doctor. You are the patient.
Okay, Dr. Tom, I am feeling terrible.
Good morning. What seems to be the problem today?
I don't feel well, Doctor. I have a sore throat and a bad headache.
I see. I am sorry to hear that. How long have you felt like this?
For 2 days.
Okay, let me check your temperature. Yes, you have a fever. You should rest and drink a lot of water.
Do I need medicine?
Yes, take this medicine twice a day. You will feel better soon.
Thank you, Doctor.
See? You just need to describe the pain using I have. It is very direct.
But Tom, what if the doctor speaks very fast? Medical words can be difficult.
That is a great point. If you don't understand the doctor or anyone, what do you say?
You say, could you please repeat that? Or can you speak slowly? Please.
That is the most useful phrase in the world. Never be afraid to ask someone to speak slowly. It shows you want to understand.
Exactly. Okay, Tom, you are healthy again?
Yay, I feel great. The medicine worked.
So, let's finish our journey with a happy topic. Let's talk about hobbies and free time.
This is how you make friends. You talk about what you love to do.
The pattern is simple. You can say I like followed by an action, or in my free time,
For example, I like listening to music,
or in my free time, I read books.
or I love playing soccer.
And how do you ask the other person?
You can ask, what do you like doing? Or simply, do you have any hobbies?
It connects people. Even a short talk about movies or sports can start a friendship.
English is not just words, right? It is connection.
That is beautiful. Tom, it is about connecting with other people.
Let's try a quick conversation about hobbies. I will ask you first.
Okay,
So, Lucy, what do you like doing on the weekend?
I love hiking. I like walking in nature. What about you?
I like relaxing. I usually watch movies or listen to jazz music.
Oh, I like jazz music too.
Really? That is cool. See, we just connected.
We did. We found something we both like.
That brings us to the end of our core lesson. We covered so many situations.
Introductions, ordering coffee, shopping for clothes, the airport, the doctor, and hobbies.
You are ready for the real world now.
Wow, we traveled a lot today. From the cafe to the airport to the doctor.
We did, and we used so many real-life phrases. I feel like we built a very strong foundation today.
Let's quickly review the top 3 patterns we learned today. These are the keys to the grammar wall.
First, for requests, when you want something like coffee or help, use the phrase, can I have?
Can I have a coffee? Can I have the bill? Can I have a bag? It works for everything.
Second, for prices or information, use the phrase, how much is?
How much is this? How much is the ticket? Simple and clear.
And third, for describing health or things you possess, Use the phrase I have.
I have a bag. I have a headache. I have a reservation.
These are simple but powerful blocks. If you know these three, you can survive in English.
Now, Tom, what is our golden tip for today?
My golden tip today comes from our conversation earlier about being nervous. The tip is 1 sentence a day is progress.
Ooh, tell me more about that.
Many students want to speak perfectly immediately. They want to wake up and speak fluent English. But that is impossible. It is like climbing a mountain.
True. You cannot jump to the top of the mountain.
So, just focus on 1 sentence today. Go to a cafe and say 1 English sentence, or talk to yourself in the mirror for 1 minute.
That builds confidence.
Exactly. Small victories lead to big confidence. Every time you speak, you become braver.
And what about mistakes?
Mistakes are good. Mistakes are just proof that you are trying. If you make a mistake, it means you are using the language.
That is wonderful advice. Don't chase perfection. Chase communication.
Yes, just try to communicate. Use your hands, use your smile, use your simple phrases. Well, that brings us to the end of our journey today. I hope you feel ready to go out and use your English.
Yes, thank you so much for learning with us. Real life is the best classroom.
And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can join us for the next adventure. We have many more topics coming soon.
And please share this video with a friend who wants to speak confidently. Learning together is always more fun.
For today's practice question, we want to know about you. We want to practice introductions.
Please introduce yourself in the comments. Use our formula, name, country, and one thing you like.
Example, I am Tom. I am from London. I like coffee. We will read every single comment.
Yes, we love meeting you and seeing where our listeners are from.
Thank you for your time today. You did a great job.
Until next time, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep learning.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.